Sofia, and today I'm going to make another video on edible slime. After making the gummy bear, I wanted to try it with Airheads because I've never done this before. It's my first time making edible slime. You got to open your Airheads, and you got to basically just put them in. See, I mixed red and orange just because they're pretty colors, and ta-da! And we're going to put these in the microwave for about 2 minutes. So I put this in the microwave for about 2 minutes, but it may still need more time. So you'd constantly be checking it, and you could mix it in a little. And I don't know if this is gonna be as slimy as the gummy bears, but we're gonna try. I'm gonna go throw this in the microwave for about another 30 seconds. Be right back. Okay, so I put it in the microwave for about another 45 seconds. Now I'm just mixing it to make sure there's no hard clumps or anything. And like my other video, I didn't like how the color came out, so I'm gonna add some pink and glitter. Glitter always makes everything better. Be careful, this one may also be really hot, so you may want to use the spatula. I'm gonna add some purple too, just to make the color pop even more. Purple may make it a little darker, and you have to keep constantly mixing it. So I'm gonna add some glitter in here. I'm gonna do a mix of silver, and this is edible glitter, and I'm gonna also do pink. And all my edible glitter is getting mixed in. I'm also gonna use some blue glitter because why not make it a little galaxy, right? Take another pinch of silver. Now you may get glitter everywhere, and it may travel with you for the next few days, but you know, that's okay. So since the Airheads are becoming harder than the gummy bears very quickly, I'm gonna try another trick I have. I have some water here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick my hand in the water. It's like warm water too, and I'm just gonna try and mix it in to the slime. If you need like more water, you could always just pour it in a little bit at a time. There's no measurement about water. You could just add it how much you think. So the water did help it, and now we have Airhead edible slime. And be careful, it still may be a little bit hot. So the color may not have been perfect, but you know, it still looks kind of like a galaxy and probably still tastes really good. Okay guys, I think it's time for me to wash my hands. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you like these, comment down below what you want me to make next.